The kind of food that gets advertised the most include fast food, sugary snacks and beverages, convenience foods, and processed foods. These are promoted through television commercials, online ads, billboards, and sponsorship deals. Food companies pay to have their products featured in movies, television shows, video games, and social media to increase visibility and influence consumer purchasing decisions by utilizing athletes to endorse food products to enhance brand credibility. Celebrities often appear in advertisements, social media posts, or promotional events to endorse specific brands, leveraging their fame and influence to drive sales. Promotional tactics such as buy one, get one free, and limited-time offers encourage impulse buying. Food companies employ targeted marketing strategies to reach children with colorful packaging, cartoon characters, interactive games, and advertising on television programs. Food packaging often includes misleading health claims and labeling to appeal to health-conscious consumers. Influencers who have large followings on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok collaborate with food brands to create sponsored content, reviews, or endorsements that reach a broad audience of followers. The primary goal of capitalist enterprises is to maximize profits. This often leads to creative and aggressive marketing campaigns aimed at capturing market share. In a capitalist system, competition is fierce among food companies. To stand out and attract customers, these companies invest heavily in advertising to differentiate their products from those of competitors. Consuming fast food, sugary snacks and beverages, and convenience foods can have several negative effects on health. These foods are often high in calories, unhealthy fats, and sugars, leading to weight gain and an increased risk of obesity. Fast food and convenience foods typically lack essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and fiber, leading to digestive issues and nutritional deficiencies. Regular consumption of these foods is associated with an increased risk of chronic conditions such as type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Fast food are often low in fiber, which can lead to problems such as constipation and bloating. Foods high in sugar cause energy spikes and crashes, leading to feelings of fatigue. Sugary snacks and beverages contribute to dental cavities and gum disease. Highly processed foods trigger addictive-like eating behaviors, making it difficult to control consumption. Populations around the world are facing high rates of obesity and overweight, driven by unhealthy dietary habits and sedentary lifestyles. Obesity is associated with type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular disease. There is growing recognition of the relationship between diet and mental health. Poor dietary habits, including high consumption of processed foods, added sugars, are associated with an increased risk of mental health disorders such as depression and binge eating disorders.